Hi guys, my name is Nadine Gary Zapata, and this is my American Government project for week 6. So first I'm going to talk a little bit about bureaucracy. So bureaucracy is like a big organization with lots of different levels and specific rules that everyone has to follow. Kind of like an organized machine where every person has a certain job and decisions go through a chain of command. It's to be efficient and fair by making sure everyone is treated the same way. Okay, so this is using the bureaucratic model that we saw in class and how it fits and using 6 characteristics. So the first characteristic I would use is specialization and division of labor, which is where the State Department is divided, each of them focused on specific regions or issues. The second one would be hierarchical authority structure. There's a clear chain of command. It starts with the Secretary of State at the top, and then the deputy secretaries, undersecretaries, assistant secretaries, and then down to various other directors, officers, and staff. And then the third one would be formal rules and procedures, which is the State Department operates based on a complex set of rules and procedures which are documented in the Foreign Affairs. And these rules cover everything from how to handle diplomatic communications to the process for issuing. And then the fourth one would be impersonality, which is decisions are made based on rules and the needs for the department, not really personal feelings. And then the fifth one would be merit-based selection and promotion, which are jobs within the State Department, especially for foreign service officers, sorry. And then the sixth one would be career orientation. Many positions within the State Department are full-time or long-term careers. So for foreign service officers, they would often spend their entire career working for the department, moving from post to post all around the world. So the U.S. State Department fits the model because it's organized with special roles, a clear hierarchy, formal rules, impersonal decision-making, merit-based employment, and a career orientation for its staff. Okay, so if I was pursuing a career as a foreign service officer, I'd lean towards the consular affairs track. It's all about direct interaction with people, assisting U.S. citizens abroad, and understanding different cultures firsthand. The opportunity to help people in tangible ways and navigate complex international situations seems really challenging, but at the same time rewarding. Plus, the problem-solving aspect of consular work is something that I find really appealing. Okay, so now here's kind of the breakdown of the application process for becoming a foreign service officer. Okay, so first would be the eligibility check. So you make sure you meet the basic requirements like your U.S. citizen, your age, and your educational qualifications. Next, you would register for the FSOT, sign up for the Foreign Service Officer test, and then you can do that on the Department of State's website. And then you would take the FSOT, which is a multiple choice test to know your knowledge and judgment. Next, you would submit personal narratives, and then if you pass the FSOT, you'll need to write and submit personal narratives that highlight your skills and experiences. Next would be qualifications eval panel, which is the QEP. Your narratives are reviewed by the QEP to determine if you'll move on to the next stage. And then you'll have an oral assessment. And if you pass the QEP, you'll be invited to an in-person or virtual oral assessment. And then you'll do security and medical clearances. And then suitable review panel. And then finally, review and offer. And